these are the July Gas Leak puzzles. These are bonus ones, of course. I usually do the regular ones on my own without any commentary type of stuff, so I don't post any videos on them. And usually the gas team, they set their own, so they make their own videos anyway. Yeah, but there's no gas leak bonus puzzle videos, at least not from what I know. So this is what we're doing. All right, on to the July stuff. This is 910 by Bill Murphy. Normal Sudoku rules apply. Love it. And we have some X and V's and ooh, negative constraint. Got a little fancy negative constraint warning line here. You can set that on settings, everything. So that's to know. Okay, so right off the bat, oh, it's just a pure negative constraint puzzle. Okay. Well, we're missing 4 numbers here. We're missing like 5, 6, 7. This cannot. But it could be everything else. See, these other can't be a 6. This can't be a 6. 6. And 7 here. Whoops, already. Can't be a 7. Anything else? This cannot be a 7 too. It's not a 6, so that's 5. That makes this a 9. Is that a 7 and a 6? Sweet. Got this kind of up here. Cannot be. Both of these can't be 6s. This can't be either. And it can't be a 4 either. So it cannot be a 4. And also can't be a 5, 6. It's a 3. Which makes this one a 5. And that's not. Okay. We know 4 and 6 cannot be here, so this cannot be 4. 6, 7, and can't be. Neither of these can be 6s. How about can't be 7? These can't be 6s, so that's 6, right? 4, we know that. 4, 9 pair now. 3, 7. Going to 4 or exempt from anything. Okay, where else? That's looking kind of flimsy. How about here? 2, 3, and a 9. Obviously, it's here. 2, it's like so. Here 2 are 4, 9, 1, and 8. Can't be a 4. Could it be a 1? You could. Okay. So there's already some asymmetry going on here. Good. 1, 3, 5, 8. Let's see, this is not a 3. That's not a 3. Somewhere important to know. This is not a 5. That's not. Okay. Couple here. 1, 2, 8, 9, and a 4. Huh, interesting. Didn't really get that out of that one. Expected a little bit more. How about here? 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. Neither of these 6s. Then it can be 3s. So 3 and 6. This can't be a 3. Can go, except there is an 8. So get rid of this 8 now. Back we know this is 1, 2, and 7. It's not a 2. This is 4, 8, and 5. So that's a. It's not 2 anymore. Can't be. It's a 2 then. Okay. Oh, so 2, 3, and 4. 1, 6, 9, 7. Oh, it's a little here. How about feeble? Probably take slowing back. By the 2. This can't be. 8, 9. Here. Okay. How about here? 2. Can't be 2. This can't be 2, so that's a 2. I only have 4, 9. I don't know if that matters yet. Or 9. 2. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. 2, 7. 7, 2. It's from here. There. And 8. So 1. This can't be a 3. 3. Can't be a 3 either, so this is a 3. Okay, what's here? We're missing an 8 in here and a 4. That leaves with 8 here. What was missing here? Yeah. Alright. Shabby. Get that into spreadsheet. I just realized there's no real target times for okay. Next one. Pairs yourself. More Sudoku rules apply. Single cells connected by an X must sum to 10. Clues outside the grid gives the sum of the first X cells seen from that clue. Okay, so they're X sums, right? X sums, and we have this. No negative constraint this time. Okay. So this is a 2, 3, or 4, right? Ooh, wait. It has to be 2, 8 because they connects. So this is a 10. Guaranteed. So then we need at least 2 more numbers out of the 12. So minimum 4. Maximum? Or maximum? Oh, this one's a 9. Hell, which means this one 8. Could it be a 7? It could be a 7. Can't be a 3. A 3 can a 6 would exclude 3 numbers, which would be 1, 2, 3, and then that would be 39. So this is a 7 or 8. This is 2 or here that we can do. Excludes 2 numbers. So this is 10. This is a 3 or 4. But if it's a 3, then this would need to be, that's impossible. This has to be a 4. This would be two numbers that add up to 2 pair. Similarly here, this is a 3, could be a 4, could be a 5. 3 numbers that add up to an 8. But we can't have a 5, so it has to be a 3? Because it can't be a 4, so it has to be 3. Okay. This is 10, so we need at least 2 more numbers. But we already did that, so it would be a 5. So 3 numbers out of the 14. I think that one's a bit more flexible, so I'll have to come back to that. Okay. Anything that's a limit. Okay. Let's see. You know this can't be a 2-8 pair. Obviously, it's not a 1-9. So we're thinking can't be a 3-7, so it could be a 4. Can't be a 5. Be a 6, right? 6 would go all the way here. So we have this being 10 and 4 numbers out of to 12. That's 12. Although I have to exclude 6 numbers, so you add to 22. It's possible. We need a 7 in there somewhere. We wouldn't be able to have the 6, right? I think 22 is 21. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To get a 22, we change the 6 to a 7. Or can we change something else? I don't think we could. Wish I was a little bit more confident in my numbering that one. Thinking 6 might not be possible. And then 7 is definitely possible, right? No, definitely not possible because 7 minimum is 28, so we can't do that. So it's 4 or 6, and I'm thinking 6 is impossible. In either case, this is a 4-6 pair, so we can jot that down for now. Or we'll have a 6. Well, let's think about it this way, right? 6. And we need 2 numbers out of the 12. Well, that's, yeah, lots of possibilities there. Okay, let's come back to this one now. This can't be a 5. So minimum 6. Can't be a 7, because 7 will add up to 28. So it has to be just a 6. So 6 and 4. So that's pretty. That's 10. And now we need 4 numbers added to 14. Can't be a 9 in there. So could have an 8. 1, 2, 3. Possible. 7, 1, 2, 4 is not possible. 5 and 3 numbers add up to 9. 1. Is there any combination with 5 that would work? 5, 1, 6. We need 2 numbers that add up to 8. 2, 6 can't be possible. And 3, 5 is not possible. So I guess 5 is not possible there. Might have to be 8, 1, 2, 3. Huh. Interesting. Hopefully I did my math right there. We have a 1, 2 pair. Enough. Now we have to think. Oh. Again. 9 could be there if this was a 4. Fortunately. Okay, well, yes, let's think about this. If this was a 6, we would definitely need the 1 and a 2, right? Because if we go, this was 6, go 1, 3, 3, 4 is 8, 5 is 15, 6 is 21. Yeah, we can't do it. So 6 isn't that way, so we have to do it this way. And now 2 numbers out of 12 is 3, 9, 4, 5, 7, 3, 9, 5, 7. Well, that doesn't really help us, does it? Okay. This is done. This is pretty much done. That's pretty much done. That's pretty much done. That is kind of done. This one we're excluding. This one's important. We're excluding a 5. So this can't be an 8. We exclude. We need 2 numbers to exclude. So this is a 7. I think this can't be a 3 anymore. 1 or 2, they need to add up to 5. So that is either 3 or 4. So go this way. Okay. Okay. 3, 4. This could be a 5. Can't be a 7. I think it has to be a 5. So these numbers add up to 24. Can this be a 3? No. So looking at a 5, 6. No, still can't be a 6 because of that 7 thing. Put it down for now. 5 or 6. And then we have this one here. Minimum 5, but it can't be 5. Minimum 6. Eight? Can it be 8? No. 8 would require this last number to be. So 6, 7, 8. So 6 is the only one. So 5 here. So it goes up to here, which means these 3 numbers added to 10. So that can't be a 9. So this is either 7, 1, 2, or 5, and 2 numbers added to 5, which this way. Okay. Making progress. Slow and steady. Doing Sudoku. That's interesting. Losing the 1 here. Let's see. Losing the 1 here, so it doesn't affect a 5, because 5 can only be 2, 3 done this way. 7. So this is 1, 2, or 2, 3. Okay, so that doesn't change anything. Okay. 2s. Takers. There. 2 by 2. That's a 7. That's a 5. One 4 pair. Interesting. Cutting in there. This must be a 5. Oh, wait. This could be a 7 still. Too early to call. Good. Actually, figure out here. 7, 9, and 6, I want to say. Might have to this clue here. That after we're done Sudoku. We're still getting some digits, so terrible. It's 2 here. That's cool. Which means we can figure this out and figure out what that other number is. 3, 5, and 7. Is this a 5? It's a 3 now. It's a 5, 7. A 2, 9 pair. 1, say. Is that a 1? That's 7. This is 9. 9. Eight. 5. Okay, let's take a look at this right now. We have 13, 15. Need 2 numbers out of 7, so 6. Helps us a little bit. Missing here 4. Okay, Are we done all this stuff? Feel like it. Oh, we're not done this one here. That might be helpful. 9, 14. We need 2 numbers out of the 10. Perfect. That's very helpful. Missing here 3 and 8. 4 and a 6. Twos. So 1. 4. So 5. So 6s. Aha. You can go here. Solve a whole bunch of things for 7. Yeah. That. Yeah. Oh, that took a long time. Took a little bit longer. But it was a pretty tricky one, so I'm not too upset about that. All right. Doesn't make me want to kill somebody. Okay. What do we have here? Normal Sudoku rules apply. Ooh, amazing. Killer cages. And that's it. Okay, here we go. Get some of these easy ones in here. So I like killer cages more than doing X sums, mainly because we can use our old friend, the killer calculator here, help us out, and you guys can get access to this too. It's just one of the settings, but it's really nice. It gives us access to things like this, where I can just take a look, and then I can do my kind of like pencil marking off on the edge here too. Pretty handy. This is one of these as well. It's not a 21. How about this? How about you? 13. Can't have 7. You have a 6 somewhere. One of these is a 6. Okay. 1 or 2 or 3. Well, we can't have more than one of them. So can't do this. Can't do that. So it's a 1, 4, 5. So it's a 1, 4, and 5 goes exactly like that. Can't be a 1 now. So that's a. What do we have in here? Either a 2, 5 or 3, 4. Both of them still viable. Can't have a 4. And really can't have a 4. Still decent. Oh, actually must have a 1. Can't be this one either. Must have. And it must have a 2 as well. So it's 1, 2, 9. Okay, so 1, 2, 9. Now, oh, I was gonna say now ones are eliminated. I already knew that. Okay, what else can we see? How about here? This is fairly restricted. We must have a 9 in here. One of these is a 9. This is like the flip of the 8. The 9. Maybe the flip of this one is here. So yeah, we can't have 2 of 7, 8. We must be using it here. Let's say 6 and 5, like so. Okay. One of these have to be using. I want to say it's gonna be this 9. I don't know. Hmm. 17 must have a 4 in it. Ooh. Okay, well, could use the 5 or could not use the 5. Okay. What else do we have? Well, this makes a 1, 2, 3, 4 grouping here. I don't know if that's helpful. How about this 18? I like this 18. 16. 16 can't use all the ones are up. Hmm. Not that helpful. Okay. 21. Could use the 9. Must it use them? Doesn't have 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is okay. And to look at next. Well, okay, actually we know this must use an 8 and a 9. 8, 9, so this is 1, 8, 9. Kind of helpful. 1, 8, 9. Which means ones are in here, here, and ones are here. And I think that's all the ones counted for. We do something similar with 9s then, maybe? 9s are here. Yeah, they're somewhere. And here. And that makes it interesting. We have a swing thing going on in there. Have the same thing here. Yes. That's a little bit of symmetry going on to help us along the way. Okay. 1, 8. This is an 8. 8 would be up here, and this would be, sorry, 8 would be here. This would be the 5. This would be 6, and this would be 7. 6 is we marked. Down here. This is either 2 or 2 or 4. It would be a 3 or 5 in here. Thinking has been this thing, right? Maybe we have to think about a number that it can't be. Seems like all of them are available. Oh, it can't be a 9. Oh, that's interesting. 9 can't live in. It's the same here? Oh yeah, it can't be a 1. Okay. That didn't. Oh, well, yes, it did loot a little bit. Fine. Let's speak too hastily. Okay, and we have a 2-4 pair and a 6-8 pair here. Not sure if that's helpful, but the thing that we have available. So work with. So we got 1, 2, thing, 3, have a 4, 5, 6. This is way too many numbers. Maybe 5 numbers. 7 and 8. Can't be a 7, 8. Can't be a can't be a 5 either because the 5 is right here. 6, the high number. 5 could be in here, or the 6 or 7, but not the 8. Five is here, 5 is here, so this can't be a 5 as well. 6 now. What? But it can't be a 6. 3. How do we get that? Magic. This is a 5 now. It's a 2. 2. Get the 5s out. This is a 6, 8 pair. Sees that, so that's a 7. That's a 5 now. Is that an 8? Leaves us with only the 6. Puts the 8 here. Oh, this is a 5 and 4. We're off to the races. What do we have left? 2 and 4? Both of them are possible. Except this can't have a 3 anymore. So this has to be 2, 5, 6. Only number we haven't used yet is a 4. 2, 3, and 7. And over here it is 1 and a 4. Left over here is a 2 and a 3. Restricting any of those there? Nope, it doesn't seem like it. Okay, 2, 3, 7, missing 8. Missing here. Let's look at this. Can't be a 3. Can't be a 6 actually, so 7, 6, 3, like so. This has 8 and 7. All of those are possible. This leaves 9 and 6. 6 and a 9, very nice. Missing a number. It's a 4. And in here is a 3, 5, 7. Okay. 3, 7, 8, 2. Okay. Alright, now we should look at these cages a little bit more seriously. This can't have a 6 in it anymore. We can't use both 2 and 3 because of this, so this has to be a 1, 3, 5. Being in there. It's in here. Can't use a 9. So it's either 3, 7 or 3, 5, 6. Can't use a 5, so it's 4, 7. Seven, 8, 9, 7. Okay, let's take a look over here. I think what broke it was this one before, right? So we can't use the, and we can't use the 7 and 8 together. So this, the 9 goes in here. This is 5, 7. Seven, not use 5, so 3 and 6. All right, another one. Get that logged. It's tracker sheet. On to the next one. Surplus by Clover. Oh no. This is one of the cursed types, isn't it? Oh no. Fill the grids with 1, 7 so that each digit appears once. Every row and column and each digit appears at least once in every. Exactly once. At least once in the outline. This is a cursed Sudoku variant. I remember doing one when Clover did her cursed video, and it was not fun. Did not enjoy it. So we'll see how this goes. So normally we couldn't put a 1 here, but we could in surplus, which sucks. So it's missing. This row is missing a 1 here. So how are we gonna mark this? Honestly, the nightmare. I hate it already. Okay, let's think carefully here. We already have a 3 in this column. We already have a 3 in this column. We're missing a 3 in this column, and this region needs a 3, so it has to go in here at least. No, actually, that's the only place it can go. Yeah, we already have 1 in each column. Now we need 1 more in this column here, and it could be here, 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 or here, and then here, here. maybe, and here, right? Okay, well, okay. Let's think of it this way. Let's just mark out all the rows and columns that they can't be. Maybe that'll help us a little bit. Okay, then we'll color these ones. They can't be it. So now, it has to be here and here. This forms an X-wing, so these ones can't be it. And is that helpful to us? No. This one has in a region. Okay. Okay, so guaranteed. Well, it's not helpful at all. Again, it's not helpful. Yeah, it's not helpful. Ah, jeez. You know, one of those has to be a 3. You know, one of these has to be a 3. Ah, one of. Again, just because it's in this region, it could be in the region again. Like, it could be here, 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 here. That would work. Every region would have a 3. Hate this so much. Okay, let's mark it. We'll mark it. I think we did a decent amount of this with that one. Let's go back and let's do the 1. Same thing. See if it illuminates the situation a little here. Okay. Because finding some hidden triples and shit would be kind of useful. I see one here. But this, not really. Okay. 2s doesn't look strong enough for us to even engage with. We are missing a 2 in this region though. That's helpful. This region also lacking a 2. Right here. Okay. Cover these. Let's cover that. Cover it. That's a 2. This region now needs a 2 here. Can't be that or that. This region needs a 2. That is the only place on this column for a 2. I think 2's gotta go like this. Huh. It was one that I honestly didn't think anything was gonna happen. But it makes me want to take a look at that once again. See if I missed maybe a region missing a 1. Let's see. This region or extra 1. This region needs a 1 right here. This column, so they can't be it. This needs a 1 right here, so that's not it. And that's not it. That's not it. So that 1 and 1 here. That's not it here. So 1 1 1 1 1. 2 more 1s. 1 right here, like that. Oh wow. Okay, so that did solve. Leaves us with a 3 here and here. And this is the only 3 in this region now. Yeah. Okay. Go. Oh, okay, we're making progress. Gotta be thankful to Clover for being so nice to us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 is definitely in the other number we do not know. Okay, so here's the other thing I found out about surplus Sudokus when I was trying to solve this. It was that within each, so I think most of these are 7-cell regions, right? So the surplus means you have an extra number in these 8-cell regions. And there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there's only 6 regions. But I believe numbers can only appear as the surplus number, maximum once. So if you have an extra 7 in this box, so we have an extra 2 in this box. That means an extra 2 cannot appear in any of the other regions. So once you find 2 of the same numbers in the region, now it's effectively not a surplus number, and you can treat it like normal Sudoku again in other places. So that was a very helpful thing to figure out. Anyways, back at it. 5s. We need a 5 right here for this region. So one of these has to be the 5 for this. Eliminate all of these here. That. So in order Has a 5, so it's okay. One of these has to be 5 for this region. Like that. That eliminates that. That. One, oh, and that. This is the only place for a 5 for that region. 1, 2, 3, 5, and we're using this fun here. Wait, 6. I didn't see that 6. Puts a 7 there. These has to be the 7 for this region. We are missing 6 and 7. It's a 6-7 pair. 4. What are we missing here? We're missing 4, 6, and 7. 6, 7. This is a 4, 6 pair here. This is a 4, 7 pair here. This is a 6, 7 triple. Might as well go down. 4 has not appeared as a double anywhere else, so this could still be a 4. We're missing 4, 6, 7 this way as well. This can't be a 7 though. Now we have a nope, don't do the region thing. This is a 4, 6 though, so we could do the 4. Yeah, so extra something in here. Probably an extra 4, right? Yeah, it is an extra 4. Oh no, did we screw up? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where did we mess up? Hard to tell. So 4, 7, 6. 6. 4 here. This is a 6, but now this has to be a 4 again. Grrr. What happened? What happened? What happened? Where did we make a mistake? Was it assuming this has to be 6, 7? That might be it. That was it. Yeah. Because we wrote 6, 7 here, but this could still be a 4, couldn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Still be a 4. That can't be a 4. Can't be a 4. Okay. The 4 in this region must be here, so that leaves only the 6 in here. That's what makes this a 4. 7, 6. Alright. Not too shabby. Definitely the threat of it was the actual execution of it. Alright, last one for July. This is LC. Oh my goodness. It's a product. Normal difficult rules apply, okay. L clues here between two numbers that sum to 50, which are adjacent in the same row or column. Okay, and then C appears between two numbers that sum to 100. Some numbers may consist of 2 digits. I'm going to say almost all of them will be. Okay. Like, is this 12? Like, I mean, okay, so this could be 98. Or it could be 88. Well, it can't be 88. So this has to be 98, right? Like this. So this is 2 into the 98. Then this 3 can be into 97 or 77. So it has to be 7. This is 84. This is either 92, which it can't be because we have here. So this has to be 84, which means 16 in here. 51, 49, or it's 5, which can't work either. 45 is either 55 or it is 6. 34 is 66. Otherwise, it is 7. 58 requires 42, which says no. Says 2 instead. And then 87 requires a 13 or a D. Cool. Only missing these two L's that need to add up to 50. But let's do a little bit of Sudoku because I feel like some progress that way. It says stall. What's in here? 7, 8. Here. 3, 3. Nice. Boy. 5 and 7. Oh, okay. So 5, 7, 7, 8, 9, 7, 7. This leaves a 3 and a 6. Goes this way. 8, 2. Okay, what's left here? 1, 8. Nope, not that number. This number. Okay. This 1 cannot be part of it. Otherwise, this would to be a 9. So it'd just be this plus this equals 50. What is left in here? Be a 7. I'm guessing 3 and 7 is going to be here. And a 4. 4, 3, and 7. Nope, sorry, other way around. One, another one. 8, 2, 4, 6. Only got 4. 3, 6. Tells us there's a 9. You guys know there was a single there. If this was a 4, get a 50, this would need to be a 6. It's not happening. This could be a 2 and an 8. No, can't be. This was a 12. Had to be a 30 something, so that can't work either. I don't think this can be a 2 at all. At all. So the 2 has to go here. That leaves us with a 5. We'll have to go here. 3, which is 7. We're about to get a respectable time for once. It's been a while. I think we got lucky with that first batch that we did way back when. And like zoomed through a whole bunch of them and then got punished for like the next few months for. Alright, sweet deal. Cool beans. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. Again, comment if you can. I love reading comments. Otherwise, I will see you guys